Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty. Because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This national display unit is a custom interface touchscreen designed for an Applied Materials Semiconductor tool. This unit has been repaired and a custom test interface was developed to fully test the video and touch interface. ERD has extensive experience with OITs and HMIs from many various manufacturers. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.